Hello students, welcome to Shorapsa's classes. So in today's video, we will be solving a question from ISI Msqe Economics Entrance Exam. So in this question, it is given a cinema hall has a capacity of 150 seats. The owner can offer students a discount on the price when they show their student IDs. The demand for tickets from student is given as this. So the demand is given as DS equals to 220 minus 40 PS. So this we know, where PS is what? PS is the price of tickets for students after the discount, and demand for tickets for, so here the demand curve function is given as dn equals to 140 minus 20 pn. So here pn is the price of ticket for non-students. So here pn is what? It is the price of ticket for non-students. And so what is the maximum profit the owner can make? So we have to find the maximum profit the owner can make, and finally what is the maximum profit he could make if the demand function of the students and non-students were interchanged. So if the demand function of the students and non-students were interchanged, what will be the maximum profit he could make out of it? So for this we know we have to solve this question. In this question we know what? The profit maximizing. So the profit maximizing problem, the profit maximizing problem of the cinema hall is basically maximum of PS into 220, sorry, it will be 220 minus 40 PS, minus 40 PS plus PN into 140 minus 20 PN. So this is nothing but PS into this is the price and quantity. So this is subject to, here we will write PS, PN 0. So PS and PN must lie between, PS must lie between PN and 0. So these are the informations which are given in the question. Now what we can do is, we can further solve this question. So for this we know it will be 220 minus 40 PS plus 140 minus 20 PN less than 150. This we know. Now from here we can simply write 360 minus 40 PS minus 20 PN is less than 150. So now which will be 210 less than 40 PS plus 20 PN. Now from here what we can do is, we can simply find the value of 2 PN. So from here we can find the value of equation to be 2 PN plus 4 PG greater than 21. So this is what? This is the profit maximization problem of the cinema hall is given by this. Now what we have to do? If the preference swap takes place, what will be the profit maximization? Now we will solve the number 2. So in number 2 there will be a small change. The change will be in terms of profit maximization problem with the cinema hall with the preference swap. With the preference swap. So profit maximization problem of cinema hall with preference swap. So how do we do it? For this we know maximization of PS into 220 minus 40 PS plus PN into 140 minus 20 PN subject to 0. It belongs to PN belongs to PS and 0. Now from here what we can do, we'll simply write 4 PS plus 2 PN is greater than 21. So now we have found the equation to be 4 PS plus 2 PN greater than 21. So I hope you guys have understood the question. So if you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrobsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. Now we'll go to the next part of this question. So in the next part of this question it is given, now there are 11 traders, 6 identical chickens. Each trader wants to consume at most 1 chicken. So there is also a good called money. Let D1 be equal to 1 indicate that the trader I comes a chicken, 0 if he does not. Trader I's utility function is given by ui di plus mi, where ui is the value of attaches to consuming a chicken and mi is the units of money that the trader has. Now the valuation for the 11 trader are 4 options are given. ui1 is given as 10, u2 is given as 8, u3 is given as 7, u4 is given as 4, u5 is given as 3, u6 is given as 1. Similarly u7, u8 is given as 3 and the following. Now from here initially each trader is endowed with 25 units of money. So each trader, so in this sum that is given, so which is the possible equilibrium price, market price in a competitive market, and the second question is given as the equilibrium is the equilibrium unique. So we have to find out the right answer for this question. So for this question, first of all we need to write down the given things. I hope you guys have seen the answer. So for this question we know traders I's utility function is given by UDI plus MI. So traders I's utility function is given by traders I utility function is given by UIDI plus MI, where DI belongs to 0 to 1, where DI belongs to 0 to 1. And we also know this indicates I consumer consumes chicken or not. This indicates I consumer consumes chicken or not. This indicates I consumer consume chicken or not, and MI is his money balance. MI is his money balance if the price of his utility from consuming, if the price of his chicken is given by price of his chicken is given by P, and then the individual I will choose to buy 1 unit of chicken if his utility from consuming chicken exceed its utility from not consuming it. So it will be ui into 1 plus mi minus p, which will be I into 0 plus mi. So this mi gets cancelled out. You will be left with ui equals to p, or ui minus p equals to 0. So from here we can conclude ui is basically greater than p. ui is either greater than or equals to p. So now from here what we can do is, we also know that it is given that the total supply of chicken is 6 units. Is 6 units. Now to all traders, we know already it was given. So let now consider a lower price, say for an example price equals to 7.5. So at this price, all this price, the buyers and sellers, therefore demand is still short of supply. So when we reduce the price for P equals to 4.5, so if we reduce the price, the demand supply will match. So note that this is not the only equilibrium price, but there are other equilibrium price which belongs to 4 to 5. Can be the equilibrium price. So this is not an unique equilibrium price. So I hope you guys have understood the question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.